What's up, guys? It's C. How is everyone's summer going? Summer quarantine. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been literally working. As you guys know, I'm a celebrity stylist. So I actually have a video shoot today that I'm going to, but not in more exciting news, but like exciting news. I want you guys to come get ready with me because we have reached a new milestone in our careers. My friends at Boxy sent me my first package. And I'm so excited. I love the brand. I've seen a lot of my clients actually, use it and have their skin glowing and stuff. So I, asked one of my friends that works there, I was just like, girl, I need some skincare. I need something. Like, I want to really try to get into makeup, and they blessed me. So let's go through the box this month and see what the goodies are. And I'm going to be using it to get ready today before my shoot. Something about stylists. We never have time to get ready. Ever. Like ever. Because we're always running around. But I wanted to take the time while I'm like getting ready, rushing, to use good products. So let's go through the box this month of what they sent. Okay. So first, they sent, this orange filler palette. Let me see, it's Touch and Soul, so let's see. So here's the colors, as you can see. And don't say nothing about my nails. Nail salons just opened up, going today. This Caution Hot is fire, like literally. Like, look at this. Like, it's just such a pretty palette. I'm definitely using that color today. They have the Milk Foam, the Espresso, the Tarte. But first, Cafe. I love these like little names. Steady Break, Brown Sugar, and Chai-ful. My favorite Starbucks drink is literally the chai latte, almond milk or coconut milk, because lactose. Oh, car lip liner and lip gloss. Oh, cab. There we go. Couldn't read. But ooh, look at the reflective cab, the lip liner and lip gloss. Let's see what this color is giving us. I'm so excited. I've been really trying to up my look and have fun and just be cute this summer, and it's less like, yes. So, ooh, look at this shade. First of all, wow, these people are so generous. Look how big this is. Do I have my regular lip gloss? If I could show you what a regular lip gloss tube is, this is popping. Oh my goodness, this is gonna last me forever. I love that. And here is the color. Oh, it's called Charming. Here is the lip liner. Ooh, such a pretty shade. Let's see. And it's so pigmented. Look at that. Okay, definitely gonna do that. While this was happening, my client just texted me, let me know when you leave. See, do you see what I'm talking about? We never have time to get ready and enjoy ourselves. So, okay, then we also have, an eye lip cheek palette from Laura Geller. Multitasking, we love her. Her mind, a lot of people would be scared there. It says cream to powder trio. Yes, her mind, a lot of people would be scared there. Okay, so here's this. Look how pretty these shades are. So poppin', so poppin'. Oh wait, you can see me in the mirror. Hey, and then I'm just saying. So these are pretty shades, like, and they feel really light, like when you just rub them on the palette. Like, they seem really cool. And then, oh, there's so many goodies. I feel like it's Christmas or my birthday. Okay, I don't know if anybody has used this brand, but my friends all tell me that this brand is poppin', fire, immaculate. So I am actually very excited to use this. Oh my goodness, like, Wow, it says a bump eraser body scrub with 10% AHA. For safer sensitive skin. I love this. Cool. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be cool for the body. Can't wait to use this. Oh, and last but not least, okay, so Lily Lashes, they have poppin' lashes. I always know that. Again, remember how I just said clients just keep calling you to get ready? Again, just happened. So anyway, again, I have to literally rush, but I really wanted to get into this. So here's this Lily Lash. I want to see what this is like. Ooh, I love a good mascara. I love it. Because sometimes, like with my eyelashes, like they're pretty long already. So like putting them on me like makes me look like a spider. Like I'll be like, so like sometimes I literally just love a good mascara, and I'm really excited to try this because their lashes are so bomb. So oh my goodness, so and look, there's a cute little and this is the Oasis. Ooh, going on an Oasis today, not really, but we're gonna make it an Oasis. Okay, so they have so just so you know, it's the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette, which was what I just showed you right here. Poppin', everything, great colors. Then they have the Laura Geller Masking Cream Powder Trio right here. Bam. Remember, her mind. A lot of people would be scared there. The Lily Lashes Triple Mascara. Ooh, time to get cute. And the Cab Lip Duo. Bam. Bam. And the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser. So I probably won't be able to use the bump eraser, honestly, right now, just because I'm rushing. But I literally am so excited. Ooh, and I do need to use that. You see that? Need to go. So let's start getting ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because I love a good eye look, is I always use, I use this on top of my eyelid. It's the Maybelline, pretty sure this is Maybelline. Yep, Maybelline Instant Age Eraser. But I just picked the lightest shade and I go on top of my eyelid, literally. The thing that you're putting on, it literally doesn't like, it's kind of like spotty or something. So like I always just try to use my brush. Just for my skin tone, for some reason, like it's really like difficult sometimes for pigments to show up. I also try to rinse off my brush just because you want it to stay clean. So I always literally just use that thing, the Age Eraser, in the lightest shade, just so that way it, like, you know, can be pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with, because I would love for it to be mainly that, but I'm just like, is that doing too much? I don't think it is. I think it's just so pretty. So I just want to see what it looks like. Again, not a makeup artist, a stylist. If you need an outfit, not you. I always go on the other side and do the same thing. Like I can't do one eye and then move to the other because it won't come out the same. Look at that. Like I don't know. Like that's popping. You can see it in the sun. I'm obsessed. I'm like obsessed with this. Okay. So then after that, I'm probably gonna go in with, hold on. Always mashed it up. I knew it, Chai Pool. I had a feeling it was Chai Pool, but I didn't know if it was. Wow. Okay, so something I always do is lighten up my corners. So I'm gonna take this light color right here. I love eye looks, that's my thing. Because I know how to do my face, but just because my face is so sensitive, it's like really difficult. But I literally love this. Like, what? I'm wide awake. I make myself laugh, sorry. Lily Lashes Triple X. Just so we can get that pop and look. And to be honest, like I also usually use concealer to clean my eyes up. But I'm actually really proud of myself today that it literally kind of looks good. I'm not even gonna do that. I just feel like it's so simple. And I usually go on my bottom eye too, but I want to try to, actually, I want to try to go in and use the palette, put some of this orange underneath my lash line. I love this caution hot. Oh yeah, this is amazing. I really love this so much. The girls are shook. Girls are gonna be scared at Louise's. No, I'm just playing. I literally am obsessed. I don't know if you can see, but popping. And it doesn't even feel heavy. Like sometimes when I do that, it like feels really heavy underneath like my eye, or like feels like it's gonna get in my eye. It does not feel like that at all. Go under the eye. Bam. Love it. Before I put any lip on, I always put, you know, either Blistex or Vaseline on, just because, you know, I want the lips to stay healthy and, you know, kiss the ball. Don't mind me. I'm just in my head. How's everyone's summer going? And what makeup looks are you guys doing? I'm really loving color this summer and just having like obviously fun with like just having fun with color. I feel like there was a period in time. So I'm gonna go in with the lip liner right now underneath my lip. Bam, I love this. This was really smooth too. Oh, oh, it looks so creamy. So now I'm going in with the cab. I'm more into like clear glosses, so this is like, I haven't used a color gloss in a really long time. Just because I always feel like, I don't know if they come out super light on me, but I always blot it. Want a kiss? No, I'm just playing. No, I'm really simple. So we're about to throw on the wig, either Enchiana or I'm not sure what I'm gonna call her yet, but we're gonna get her a name. And I'm gonna come back with my wig on, my outfit, and we're gonna be cute. Period. Done. I'm probably gonna actually add some of the cream cheek powder. I know you probably aren't supposed to use this first, but I just feel like it would be really easier for me to use this. Just lighten up. Yeah, see? Oh, it's so light. Wow. I literally need to hurry up because my clients are literally calling me. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Did you leave yet? Mind you, they're probably gonna be late, but we gotta be on time. So let me throw on this wiggy on really quick. You see how color, like, get into it. It's so cute. Like, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. This was an amazing box. Like, I literally loved it. Thank you so much, Boxy Charm. Like, you made, like, what? This is so cute. Like, do you see? Like, I don't know if you can really get into the detail, but look at that. Lips, everything. Like, thank you, Boxy Charm, so much for this because you made this feel extra. Oh, and I mean, I wish I could show the outfit, but you guys will see the pic. Check out my Instagram at See the Vision. And thank you, Boxy Charm, again. Make sure you go follow them. Get your box. Sign up. Subscribe to Boxy Charm. Like, they deserve it. Period. Get into it. And make sure you follow me at See the Vision for all looks. And fun things coming soon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye. Happy Oasis.